Ever wondered why some plants in your garden bloom year after year while others seem to be one-season wonders? This magic springs from a group of plants known for their multi-seasonal charm. That's right, we're talking about perennials, the long-lasting beauties of the garden world. Perennials come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its own unique charm. Let's delve into a world of enduring garden beauties. First up, we have roses. Known for their stunning blooms and delightful fragrance, roses are a classic choice for any garden. They typically bloom from spring to fall, requiring 6 hours of sunlight each day and well-drained soil. Next, the daylilies. These hardy plants are known for their vibrant colors and easy care. They bloom in the summer and require full sun or partial shade. Then we have peonies. These romantic flowers bloom in late spring and require full sun and well-drained soil. They have large, fragrant flowers that are perfect for cutting. Lastly, hostas. These shade-loving plants are known for their lush foliage and can offer a cool contrast to other sun-loving perennials. From vibrant roses to elegant daylilies, perennials offer a delightful variety to suit any garden style. So what makes perennials a garden enthusiast's delight? It's their unique ability to bloom over multiple seasons, bringing a renewed vibrancy to your garden year after year. They're also low maintenance, requiring less time and attention compared to their counterparts. But that's not all. Perennials offer a wide variety from sun-loving daylilies to shade-thriving ferns, making them suitable for every garden's needs. In short, perennials bring longevity, diversity, and beauty to your garden. Perennials truly are the long-lasting beauties of the garden world. Their resilience and enduring charm offer a bounty of benefits. Consider these garden gems for a blooming spectacle year after year. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!